Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable AWS CloudTrail data events, complete guide step by step clearly. To disable AWS CloudTrail data events, log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the CloudTrail service from the AWS Services dashboard. Select the Trails option from the sidebar. Choose the specific trail you want to modify. Click on the Edit button located in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down to the Data Events section. You will see a list of existing data events associated with the trail. To disable a data event, locate the specific event you want to turn off. Uncheck the box next to that data event. If you want to remove all data events, ensure all relevant checkboxes are unchecked. Once you've made your selections, scroll to the bottom of the page. Click the Save Changes button to apply your modifications. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that your changes have been saved. It's essential to verify that the data events are no longer listed under your Trails configuration. Return to the Data Events section to confirm the updates. You have now successfully disabled AWS CloudTrail data events. Remember, disabling data events means you will no longer have detailed logging for the specified resources. Review your trail settings periodically to ensure they meet your security and auditing requirements. That concludes the process of disabling AWS CloudTrail data events. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.